Okay, now we can go through this video and you can see really how many people are doing mistake, because this is a parking area and in a rush time, everybody is going at the simultaneously, and then you can see who is going what direction, how many people are following rules or not. But you can definitely, you can just see this in the real situation. The problem is that when you go with the examination time, then that's what I heard from many people, that other cars did the mistake and I got the punishment. I got the fail, or I got confused. But when you do your driving perfectly, or you obey the rules and regulation, then it should be fine, I think. So let's see how the driving in a parking area. This is at all the parking lots, they have the right hand rules. So when you turning back or reversing your car, you have to really careful as a new driver, or you have to do really slow so that you can control. And here there is no speed limit. So that is a tip. Actually, when you see this, when you go through the parking lot. So now this car should have wait there if there is a car coming from the right side. Yeah, this is correct. Actually, this you have to wait from the right side. Car are coming. So now we just see this white car. There is a car coming. This white car should have been waited there, but it did not. That was the mistake. But this car also again did the mistake, because that car should have been waited there for us. And this is also interesting thing. When you have the pedestrian sign, you have to really careful. A lot of people are going here and there, and then things happen differently with in the exam.
The cars which are coming from the left side, we can ignore them, or we should just wait and then go.
From the left side, you have to see actually the left side, how fast they are coming, and then you adapt your speed. So if somebody is coming very rush, you have to wait. So there is no choice.
Okay, but we have priority. I mean,
Yeah. You have the priority, but you should be careful. So not to do the accident, or not to rush. So it is the most important thing is safe driving. And after some time, I will ask you to see this one of the lane sign here. Here it is. Okay, now you can see this. This is the lane sign or direction sign. Is it visible there? You can see the right side.
Yes.
So in this one, immediately after few meters, then you can the lane will divide it into two. And if you want to go to the second exit, generally second exit you can go from the right side. In general, most of the time you can go to the second exit from the right lane. But here, because since this lane is saying that you cannot go from the first lane, so you have to be really careful when the examiner says we are going straight, then this is the one, because you don't get that time to think which lane to choose. And then, so take it little bit slow, and then immediately you think that which lane you choose. And then if it is the straight, generally they say like second exit, right? Second, what in our mind thinking that first one, second one, third one, and which side. Sometimes second exit is a straight, or sometimes little bit in the different angle. So this sign you have to remember this during the exam time, and immediately you process and then decide which lane to choose. If by chance this go to the right lane, and then for example you cannot decide at that time, don't make a confusion, then come to the left lane again that time, then definitely 100% fail. So if it is right lane, by chance you put your vehicle in the right lane, then just go right lane, or just forget. So, and then after some time you tell the examiner, okay, I could not go to the place my car to the other lane, and then now where should we go? Let me know. Okay, that was it actually. Then we can move on. This is, I think, simple, or is it complicated?
I think 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Yes, this is not right hand rule.
Yeah, but 1 is going straight, so it has
Yeah.
to be even.
The left hand 2 is going from the going to the left hand side. So always remember a little bit, when the car is going to the left side, then it is definitely you have less priority than the coming from the straight. But when it coming, you are having the major road, and then you come to the left side, and one car is coming even if it's straight, but it is from the now.
2 1.
Yeah, this is 2-1. Yeah.
I think 1 2.
1 2 1, because one is going to the right hand
right.
side, and then other
Yeah.
one is turning the left side.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was the situation I was telling, but this is actually just forget about this yield sign that was wrongly placed. When you have a yield sign there, then there should be a line there actually to stop. So it was just don't assume that there is no yield sign here.
1 and 2.
1 and 2, exactly. Here, no problem. They can go simultaneously, right?
Yeah.
Here,
1 and 3 and 2.
1 and 3 and 2. Here, this is quite interesting situation actually.
1 3 2.
Yes. 1, 3 and 2, because 1 and 3 are in the priority road.
Yeah.
And
Right
2,
hand rule doesn't apply for them, right?
no, yes. So as soon as you see the symbol, this priority sign or yield sign, then you have to just relax that the priority, this right hand rule does not apply there.
Then it should be 1 2 and 3, right? Because 3 right hand rule applies.
No, it is
But
the same lane actually, same road. So this priority road is for both the side.
and
This
also
symbol actually
2
there
has
should be a symbol there also. It is not in the
Ah.
picture, but there should have been there.
Okay. Yeah.
and also 2 has a giveaway sign.
Yeah, 2 has yield sign. So
Yeah.
this one, 3 is coming left, 2 is going left, and 1 is going straight.
1 3 and 2.
1 3 and 2, yes. Because first one is going straight, so 1 should get the priority because of the priority road, and it's the same from the same priority road among 3 and 2. 2 has the yield sign, but 3 is coming from a priority road, so 3 should go then and then 2. This is simple.
1 3 and 2.
1 3 and 2 again.
3 1 and 2.
3 1 2.
3 1 and 2. Yes. Are we going too fast, or other people? Is everybody is clear with this one?
So why 3 first?
3 because of the priority road and going straight.
And then 1 should go right after that because it is also priority road.
Yeah.
Right. 3 1 and 2.
And 2 has the yield sign, so 2 has to wait anyway. 2 should see this both side of the lane, both side of the road, and then 2 will, if it is clear, then only 2 can go. So 2 is the last. And then out of 1 and 3, 3 is going straight. So, but one is crossing the lane to the left side. So one has the less priority than the 3. So 3, 1, and 2. Okay, now this is in the real situation.
2 should go first.
2 should go first.
Car 1 should go first. State.
No, 2 and 1.
2 and 1.
1, 1. Because there is no priority sign.
And I think yes, car 2 is approaching the road also.
1 and 2.
The final answer is 2 and 1.
Yeah. 2 is on the right side of 1. So
2 should go first.
2 should go.
But again, right side.
But there is a giveaway sign.
Yes, exactly. That is the answer. When sometime when you drive really in this kind of road, you know, 2 things to remember. If there is no winter time, then this yield sign you cannot see. So you have to remember this yield sign in the road, and then yield sign also. Even if from this side you cannot see this yield sign, but there is a yield sign here, just above this arrow. Can you see from the back side of the yield sign?
Yes. We can
Yeah.
see now.
Then you know that car has to yield. So, and if you see clearly there is a little bit ahead, then there is a priority road sign. Maybe it is not very clear, but there is a priority sign there.
Yeah, under the tree. Yeah.
Here you can see the priority road ends there. Here, I think so. Then car 1 go fast because it already car 1 is in the priority road.
Yes, the car 1 should go fast. That's why,
Yes.
and because this car 2 has the yield sign, so anyway, that 2 has to yield. So the tricky thing is that when you see the yield sign, so you should be confident and go. So no right hand rule.
Okay. Can you also think that 1 is going on a main road and then 2 is coming from a residential road? So main roads are prioritized than the residential road.
Yeah, it is. You can assume sometime, but it is not always correct. So sometimes you know that.
Is it considered as main road? The road which 1 is going, is that considered as main road?
I think here this sign is the priority sign, and here it shows priority sign road is end here.
Yes. But until that sign, you have the priority.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's not so visible.
Yeah.
Yes, but you have to very careful when the exam, because you have to enlarge the picture.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
So that's why the good thing is to remember this when there is a yield sign. Yield sign is clear from the right side, right? That means that car has.
It is the beneath of the car. Yes.
Yeah. So that is the good sign to remember. Okay, so this is the 2 sign actually that I just marked. Now,
Obviously 1 and 2.
wow, obvious answer. Yes.
Yeah, 1 and 2.
1 and 2. And why?
He says the priority road. Yes.
Yes, priority road, and also it is coming from the car 2 should have get this exit rule, right? Yeah, it is coming from an apartment or a villa. So
but where is the priority sign? I still can't see.
Yeah, there is a. Can you see this round yellow?
Yes, I can see. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also here there is a like no entry sign there. Here in this situation, there are road coming from the both side, but you can find many times there is a squeeze part of the road. And then if you are going from the car 1 and there is a car 2 is coming from the like meeting side, then who will get the priority and how do you negotiate this condition?
I think car 1 go first and car 2 because the more wider side from the car 2, and maybe is the mutual condition also. But I think my point of view is car 1 goes first and then car 2.
I think maybe mutual understanding.
Yeah, but how do you mutually negotiate? That is the question.
Who comes first maybe has to go first.
I think who has the more space to give side, because I think cart 2 has the more space on both sides. That means
Oh, there is no
sorry.
car actually that side.
I think
Only
car
the
2 is
side.
car 2 is already started, so car 1 has to wait.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
this,
think yeah, I think so, because car 2 is already on the middle, so I think it
yeah,
should go.
in this situation actually, when you go to this kind of narrow part of the road, then one car has to go to the like middle of the road to show the intention. If the other car is a little bit far, then that other one has to wait.
Yes.
So depending on the who is closer to this narrow part. Yeah, so this is it actually. That is the and this is yeah, probably the 60% of the many people they say that actually 60% of the driving could be learned outside of the car. You don't need the practice of the car. When you really mentally clear what to do, then it is much easier to execute actually. Then you know the like you practice it and then you can do it. So next one on the list is we can do the parking, but I will announce a little bit more earlier so that you can get time. Actually, today it was so close, like in the short notice, but still you can manage to join all of you.
Yep.
And if you have any question, then just you can discuss. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. Then we have a lot of things, materials are coming actually to that.
We have subscribed. Only one question I have in the last scenario where, for example, the mutual understanding both are reaching to the same road. Then who is going to take the reverse? Like in India, we have like people can take reverse. I mean, I'm just thinking that way actually. By chance, you both like about to hit each other, then who is going back?
I think we have to go back as a token of gratitude.
Yeah, this is the depending on the which and one more thing I want to tell you here actually, that if there are 2-3 cars are coming from that other side, car 2 side actually,
Okay,
if there are 2-3 cars are coming, then it is obviously it is the priority is like little bit to that side, and then you have to wait because otherwise you are blocking the traffic. So, but always in this situation, this is a practical situation where you actually negotiate with from the far ahead. You know that some people they do it actually in the real practice. I think when you want to go, then you little bit more speed, not cross the limit, but you show the intention that I'm going. So this kind of thing that and then you go to the center of this road, and then other person will know that you are coming. And in this way you negotiate. But this is very like fraction of second. So you can go or you can just slow down, then other can go. But in the examination time, that you have to show this negotiation, and that is the most important.
Also, whoever has obstacles on their side, they have to wait, I believe.
Yeah, but both sides have the same here.
Hello. I might have a stupid question.
No questions are stupid, so please go ahead.
Yeah, but why we have this kind of road set up?
Why we have this kind of road?
Yeah. Why they just remove this signs and narrow part, just make them wide, or does that cars go?
I think it is because there is a school there nearby right hand side. Okay, so people has to there are few controls, right? Sometimes you have the humps, and then sometimes you have this other kind of barrier. So
I think this is speed breaker, one type of.
Exactly. So when there are that means you should know that you have to go slow. So that is the only intention there.
Okay. I see.
So
Thanks.
whenever you see this is intentionally they put, not every places, but some places where there is more risky, like some children are there or some residential place are there. It is coming residential. There is a wheelies behind. there. So many people are coming, but it is a major road.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Thanks.
I have one question, not on this right hand side, but I see one word called black spot.
Black spot.
It is blind spot, I think.
Blind
Yeah,
spot.
blank spot. Sorry for that. Yeah,
Blind
blank
spot.
spot. What is that exactly? Actually,
Blind spot means actually that when you see from the mirror, if you are in a driving position and you see the right side mirror, then you feel that you see all the way in the behind, right?
Okay. Yeah.
But actually in reality, you don't see all. So if you check, one part is actually blocking, and in that part, the when some car or somebody is very close, but it is not appearing in your right side mirror, and then you do the mistake, and then it is a possibility of like risk, or if you don't see that one. If you suppose you are turning right side and then you check the right mirror, and that is perfectly fine, nobody is there. But there is a chance somebody is there, but the right mirror is not picking up. And
then
that,
you have rear mirror. You can see in the rear mirror.
Rear mirror you cannot see it. You can see only from the back side window.
Okay.
So you have to turn your back, turn your head back, and then see. Then only you can see. That is a position where actually that's why it is called the blind spot.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah.
Is it only on the right side?
No, it's also the
both
left
side.
side. Both side.
Okay.
So as soon as when you turn the changing the lane or turning the left side or right side, you have to see this blind spot. That is the one of the most important thing to remember. Not only remember, but you have to practice it enough so that the examiner knows. Otherwise, like maximum people get failed because of they don't see the blind spot. Now, of course, in the new technology that there is a blind spot detection, pedestrian detection, all these detection are there. But still, you know that you have to practice enough to show the examiner you are a safe and risk-free driver.
You have to move your neck every time.
Yes. Completely.
Completely.
Yeah.
Intentionally.
Yes, true.
Yeah. Narinda, I have one question outside this topic as well.
Yeah, that's it for today. Then I hope it is helpful for you, some of you at least.
Definitely, yeah.
It was very helpful. Yep.
And we can see you some other time with the other topic then.
Yep.
Sure.
Yes, sure.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Narendra.
Everyone.
Thanks.
Nice
everyone.
evening to all of you.
Thanks everyone.
Bye.
Have a
Thank you.
nice
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.